Welcome, I'm Tom Malero from Tuff Coat. I'd like to introduce you to the new line of Tuff Coat water-based, rubberized, non-skid coatings. Tuff Coat is a single component, flexible, water-based, non-skid coating created through a unique process of cross-linking urethanes, acrylics, co-polymers, and recycled rubber granules to create a long-lasting, non-slip finish. UT-200 is a fully submersible product with a medium texture designed to provide an attractive, highly durable, impact-resistant, non-slip surface for splash pads, kiddie pools, catch pools, and wave pools, spray parks, restroom floors, deck surfaces, and other areas requiring slip resistance, and can be used in or out of the water. This line's available in 15 attractive stocked and large volume custom colors over 50 gallons. These products can be applied by either low pressure hopper gun, commercial texture sprayer, or by Tuff Coat rollers. It's incredibly important when rolling the paint that these rollers are used. These are specially formed so that when rolling into a paint tray, the rubber granules are picked up. When rolling onto the surface, the rubber granules are evenly dispersed for a uniform finish. That's the top coats and application tools. Let's talk primers. UT-80 Adhesion Primer is a two-component, water-based epoxy primer sealer that can be used on concrete, wood, fiberglass, and previously painted surfaces to promote adhesion between the substrate and Tuff Coat. UT-80 Adhesion Primer can be applied to damp concrete surfaces following proper application procedures. UT-80 Adhesion Primer is compatible with all Tuff Coat rubberized non-skid coating. UT-95 Metal Primer is a fast-drying, single-component, water-based, corrosion-inhibiting primer that's designed for use on interior and exterior metal applications that is compatible with Tuff Coat rubberized non-skid coatings. This product chemically etches for a tighter bond on clean, bare steel or aluminum surfaces. For more information, visit tuffcoat.net.